Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Epic Games. First, verify that Apple Pay is completely set up and ready to go on your compatible Apple device. Whether you are using an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac, a properly configured Apple Pay account is absolutely essential. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure transaction process, making your game purchases quick and effortless. Be sure your device is connected to the internet. Once you have selected your desired games from the extensive Epic Games Store library, simply add them to your shopping cart. Take your time to browse and ensure you have everything you want. When your cart is complete, navigate to the checkout page to initiate the payment process. Look for the cart icon, typically in the top right corner, and click to view your selections and continue. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options listed. Carefully find and select the Apple Pay option. It is usually clearly labeled with the Apple Pay logo. Confirm that Apple Pay is your chosen method before moving forward. This step is crucial for ensuring your purchase is processed through your secure Apple account rather than another method. Make sure to double-check your selection. Finally, you will be prompted to authenticate your purchase using your device's security features. Depending on your Apple device, this could involve Face ID, Touch ID, or simply entering your passcode. This authentication confirms your identity and authorizes the transaction. Once approved, you will receive a successful payment confirmation, and your new games will appear in your Epic Games library, ready for download and play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.